Welcome to BATMACHINE. We are developing advanced manufacturing machinery for greener, more sustainable batteries. In this video, we introduce you to the BATMACHINE machinery interfaces, developed by SINTEF. BATMACHINE links 5 pillars: electrode equipment design, pilot line optimization, digital intelligence, sustainability metrics, and future tech scouting to build tomorrow's smart battery factories. In this video, we zoom in on the intelligent machinery pillar. As an example, let's take the coater dryer machinery. The coater dryer precisely spreads electrode slurry onto foil and progressively evaporates solvents. This system integrates precision mechanics and real-time control on the machine dashboard. Global plant optimization requires smarter, multi-process integration. Within BATMACHINE, SINTEF is leading the development of next-generation interfaces using semantic technology. Semantics is at the core of the novel data space. Specifically, semantics provides meaning and relations for the stored data. The solution adopted in BATMACHINE combines containerized components, offering robustness and easy extension to other equipment, in addition to generic optimization tools. With Ansible orchestration, the installation is click-simple. In fact, it is fully automated and consistent every time. The installer executes a list of tasks and checks that everything is working. All the components are now installed and ready to be used. The BATMACHINE dataspace links every sensor, equipment part and process into a searchable knowledge graph, turning raw metadata into structured insights, presented with a user-friendly interface. An interactive graph view enables the operator to navigate these relationships, exposing every component and its attributes at a glance. Also, the system offers the possibility to access the list of important sensor channels to monitor. The BATMACHINE dataspace offers the possibility to stream live insights from every sensor, allowing real-time monitoring. Here, on the SINTEF Battery Lab coater, a key parameter hovers around its setpoint live. With this solution in place, complex dashboards with customizable settings can be designed to provide an overview of key process parameters. For instance, in the BATMACHINE thickness measurement unit, the dataspace logs the thickness reading in sync with oven temperature, web speed and airflow, creating a single timeline of cause and effect. That insight supports the operator to spot drift instantly and adjust the dryer settings on the fly, allowing for consistent quality and scalable production. During the drying process, real-time furnace temperature control ensures uniform electrode distribution, while trimming down energy use in this power-hungry step. With integrated, user-friendly machine interface from SINTEF that allow a smooth monitoring and control of performance and production, the BATMACHINE machinery will usher in a more sustainable and efficient battery production. Stay tuned with BATMACHINE for more updates on our machinery.